at water stations, it is a lifeline. In Gaza, clean water is no longer guaranteed, it is a daily fight. Families walk very long distance under the burning sun, hoping for getting a little just to survive the day. That is why we're here today on Sunday, 3rd of August, 2025, bringing not only clean water, but a message of humanity, compassion, and a presence. By your support, we're reaching hearts that have been forgotten and families who have waited too long. A heartfelt thanks to your generous support. Thanks Alkhidmat USA, thanks Alkhidmat Foundation Pakistan. Your kindness is filling more than puddles, it is filling lives with hope.